are you, my friends? Hi! I just want to say good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Why are you flying?
I don't know, maybe because...
I don't know, we have to find out. Hey guys! Good morning, good morning! Hey! Why are you starting to swim? Why are you starting to swim? Hey! You're so beautiful! Okay, let's go to the park, Scarlett. Hey, my friends! Hey! Yes! Wow! Wow! Coming! Wow! They're going on the other side. It's a beautiful tree.
No, Rosie!
No?
If we bring our dogs out,
Yes.
then look, this is raccoons.
Oh, oops! They did it with eagles too, with the ocean too. I'm in love with everything. I'm in love with eagles, with birds, with creators. All shine, come out! Don't hide in the don't hide on the clouds. Come out. Huh? Trees are sleeping, right, Scarlett? Trees are sleeping now. They don't have any more leaves. They don't have any more leaves. Yeah, they are all sleeping. Scarlett is coming on your way, birdies. Scarlett is coming. You're going to fly again. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh. They're so happy flying around. Wow. Amazing, right, Scarlett? Okay. There's more there. They see us, so I think they're excited to see us. Okay, let's turn on the fire. Where's the fire? Takes forever. I can hear that. Wow! It makes warm, right? Come nearer to make us more warmer. Put your hands nearer, Scarlett. Your hands is too cold. Yeah, something like that. I think we need to cut your fingernails today. Yeah, to turn on the fire, you have to go click the red button there, and then it will turn on. Wow. During winter, we use this one most of the time.
Let's go eat.
Oh, yes! So your hand's not cold anymore. No. It's so relaxing here, right, Scarlett? It's getting cold. Tomorrow it will be snowing. It will be the first snow tomorrow. That's why it's cold now. Wow. Oh, why did you fly? Oh,
Maybe
he
he's a
flies
piggy.
away.
Maybe he's a pidgey.
Maybe, I don't know. It's not Robin, right? I love Robin. Oh, that's so cool. Basketball court. It's mahogany. Mahogany. And there's the fireplace. It's a beautiful day. Malamig-lamig na ng konti. So may fire na kami dito. Ayan. Aw, they're cute. Bye, ducky ducks. There is sunshine. Nawala na yung apoy niya. No more fire. You're turning it on. Just one time. Just one time. Okay, that's good. Okay, we'll see. It's going to turn on again. There you go. Did it scare ya?